you have anything left?
I don't know, he might. Knowing Hunter. Oh, don't knock that over. It has nothing in it. Oh, it's mine.
Reload.
Kevin, I'm just glad this didn't happen inside.
Huh? Yeah, I really don't know.
I think there is.
But that would be really bad.
I thought I was joking around. I don't know.